Hi friends, welcome back to Parnika tutorials. In this video, I want to discuss about text formatting tags like how to make the text bold or strong, italic or emphasize, highlighting a text, making a text subscript or superscript, making a text smaller, striking through the text. All these concepts I will discuss in detail for you. So I sincerely request everyone to watch the complete video for better understanding. First, let me discuss what is the need for text formatting tags in HTML. HTML facilitates the ability for formatting text just like we do in MS Word or any text editing softwares. Either using MS Word or any text editing softwares, we can bold the text, we can italic the text, we can make the text a subscript or superscript, we can reduce the size of the text. All these things we can do, right? Suppose look at here, among all this information is not in bold. If I want to make it bold, I need to click this B, right? So now you can see this text has been bold. If I want to make this text in italic, I need to click on I here. Now you can see the text has been become italic as compared to the other one. Similarly, if you want to make a subscript or superscript, you can do that one. Suppose let's take that I want to subscript this one, then I can click this one. Now you can see it has become a subscript. If I want to make it superscript, I can do it in the word. Now you can see it became superscript. If I want to reduce the size of the text, then I can go and click this one, increase the font size, and this is decrease the font size. You can do both the task. So all these things we can do using the MS Word or any text editing softwares. So similarly in the HTML also we need to bold the text, italic the text in the web page, right? So that's why HTML is providing various tags to do this task. Now let me discuss how can we make the text bold or strong in detail. We can make the text bold using the tag which is a B tag. So a B tag will have the open tag and close tag. Whatever the information you want to make it bold, that information you need to provide inside this open tag and close tag. Suppose if I write, hi friends, how are you? Then this information will be displayed in the bold. Suppose here if I write, I am fine, then this information will not be displayed in the bold. However, hi friends, how are you will be displayed in the bold for you. So this is the way you can bold the text. We can also use the strong tag to make the text strong with added semantic importance. So if you want to bold the text, you can use the B tag and also the strong tag. Now the B tag will make it bold with a style. But if you want to give some semantic importance to any text, then you can use the strong tag. But while displaying, both the tags will display the information in the same way only. You cannot find any difference. So either you can use the B tag to make it bold, or you can use the strong tag to make it bold. Whatever the text you want to make it strong, that information you need to provide between the open and close strong tags. So you will provide strong open tag and then strong close tag. Inside this one, whatever the information you want to provide, you can provide. This information will be bold with added semantic importance. Now let me discuss this concept practically by writing a small program. So what I will do, I will click a new text document and I will make it as text formatting, and let me double click on this one. Then I will write doc type HTML, and then I will have the open HTML tag and close HTML tag. And then in the HTML, I need to have two tags. One is the head tag and the body tag. Let me make it full screen so that it will be clearly visible for you. So body tag, open and also close one. Now in the head tag, I will write the title tag, text formatting in HTML. And let me provide the close tag for the title. And inside the body, whatever the information I want to display, that information I will display. So here I will make it hi friends, how are you, and I will close the paragraph. The same information I will make it bold by using the B tag. So whatever the information I want to write, I should write inside the open tag and close tag of the B. So let me copy this one and paste it. In place of the B tag, here I will use the strong tag. So let me open the strong tag and also let me close the strong tag. Let me save this one and then let me rename this one and change it to HTML, because any HTML program should have an extension called HTML. Now let me run it one. So now you can see that we got the title as text formatting in HTML, and you can see the information, hi friends, how are you. Now this one is not bold, it is a normal text, but the same information I made it bold and also strong. Can you able to find any difference between these two fonts? No. So that's why I said that the B tag and strong tag will display the information in the same style. However, they say that the strong tag makes the text strong with the added semantic importance. Now let me discuss in detail about how to make the text italic or emphasize. I tag is used to make the text italic. The text that needs to be made italic must be written within the open tag of I and close tag of I. So whatever the text you want to make it italic, that text you need to provide within the open tag and close tag of the I. Similarly, if you want to make the text italic with added semantic importance, then you can use the EM tag. The EM tag is used to emphasize the text with added semantic importance. It opens with the EM tag and ends with the EM tag. The text that needs to be made emphasize should be written within the open tag of EM and close tag of EM. While displaying the information on the web page, the I tag and EM tag will work in the same way, but normally they will say that I tag is used to make the text italic, the EM tag will make the text emphasize with the added semantic importance. Now let me discuss this concept practically in the HTML. Now let me copy this information and paste it. In place of the B tag, I will use the open I tag and closed I tag, and also I will use the EM tag and also the EM close tag. Now let me save this one. Now let me run the program. Now you can see the output as hi friends, how are you? Hi friends, how are you has been displayed using the B tag and also the strong tag. Similarly, now you can see hi friends, how are you have been displayed italic using the I tag and also using the EM tag. Can you able to find any difference between the information the way it has been displayed using the I tag and EM tag? No. I tag will make the text italic, the EM tag will make the text emphasize with added semantic importance. Now let me discuss in detail about how to highlighting a text. Whenever you see any web page, some text will be displayed by having the foreground as yellow color. Means on top of here there will be yellow color information will be there. So like this you can highlight a text in MS Word. If I want to do the same thing in HTML, there is a mark tag which is useful for you to highlight the text. So it is possible to highlight a text in HTML using the mark tag. The mark tag has the opening tag and also the close tag. Whatever the text you want to highlight, that text you need to provide between the open tag and closing tag of the mark tag. Now let me discuss practically how to highlight the text. Now let me right click on this one, open with notepad. So whatever the code you have written, that code will be displayed. Now I want to mark the text. So let me copy this one and paste it again, and in place of em tag I will use the mark tag because I want to highlight the text. So let me save this one and close it. Now let me run the program. Now you can see the hi friends, how are you have been highlighted. So this is the use of mark tag. Now let me discuss how can we make a text subscript or superscript in HTML. The sub tag is used to subscript the information, whereas sup tag is used to make the text superscript. So any information if you want to subscript, that text you need to provide between the open tag and close tag of sub. Similarly, if you want to make any text superscript, then that text you should provide between the open tag and close tag of sup. Let's consider that you are writing the information like this: hi friends. Between the open tag of sub and close tag of sub, if I write how are you, then the information will be displayed like this: hi friends, how are you. The how are you will be subscripted. This one, let me show it in MS Word. Now like this the information will be displayed. Hi friends will be a normal text. How are you will be subscripted. Similarly, you can use it the sup tag to superscript that information. Suppose let's take that I am writing hi friends, how are you inside the sup open tag and close tag, then the information will be displayed like this in HTML, like hi friends, then how are you will be superscripted. Let me do it in MS Word. Now you can see. So subscript means the information will be displayed like this. The superscript means the information will be displayed. Now let me discuss this concept by writing a program in HTML. Let me right click on the text formatting.html, open with Notepad. Then whatever the program we have written, we can modify it. Now let me copy this one and paste it. And in place of mark tag, here I will write the sub open tag, and also I will write the close tag of sub. The same one, let me copy it and paste it here. In place of sub tag, I will use the sup tag to superscript the text. Let me save this one, close it. Let me double click on this one to get the output. Now you can see hi friends, how are you has been subscripted. If you could not able to find the difference, let me zoom it. Now you can see hi friends, how are you have been subscripted. Hi friends, then how are you have been superscripted here. So like this you can subscript and superscript the text in HTML. Now let me discuss in detail about how to make the text smaller. The small tag is used to make the text smaller. The text that needs to be displayed smaller should be written inside the small open tag and small close tag. Let's consider that I am writing hi friends and then small open tag, how are you, and small close tag. Now the how are you I want to make it small. Then the information will be displayed like this: hi friends, how are you will not be the same size as hi friends. It will reduce it. So like this you can find it. Now if you see hi friends is there in a font size of 20, how are you is there in the font size of 18. So like this you can make the text smaller in HTML. Now let me discuss this one practically by writing an HTML program. Let me right click on the text formatting.html, open with Notepad. Now let me make it full screen and let me zoom out and let me copy this one and paste it here. In place of sup tag, I will use the small open tag and small close tag. Let me save this program and close it. Now let me double click on this file and so that you can see the output. Now can you able to find the difference? Hi, how are you? Here it is of the same font. Hi friends, how are you is there in the same font, but if you observe here, hi friends is in one font, but the how are you is there in the smaller font as compared to the hi friends. So this is the way you can use the small tag to make the text smaller. Now you can ask me, sir, if you use the small tag, then the text is becoming smaller. Can I use any tag to make the text large as compared to the other text? Yes, we have a tag called biz tag. That tag is useful for you to make the text larger. So whatever the text you want to make it larger, that text you need to provide inside the open tag of biz and close tag of biz. Now let me discuss this one with a simple example. If I write hi friends outside the open tag and close tag, how are you if I write inside the open tag and close tag of biz, then the information will be displayed like this. You can find hi friends, how are you will be larger as compared to the hi friends. In this one you can do in MS Word by clicking on the increase font size. Now if you observe, hi friends is there in the size of 18, how are you is there in the size of 20. So as compared to the hi friends font size, how are you font size is greater. Now we will practically verify this one in HTML. Let me copy this information and paste it here. In place of small, I will use the biz tag to make it larger as compared to the other information. Let me close this one, double click on it. Now you can see hi friends is there with one font size, how are you is there as larger as compared to the hi friends. So like this you can use the biz tag to make the text larger. Now let me discuss in detail about how to strike the text in HTML. If you open any e-commerce website for a particular product, they will show that it is 100 rupees. Then they will say that we are giving 30% discount. Now the same product you can get it for 70 rupees. Then the information will be displayed like this. They will strike the 100 rupees, meaning is that the cost of the product is now 100 rupees. Now the same product you can get it for 70 rupees. So they will strike this text. This information will attract the customers to purchase the item. So this kind of striking the text in HTML can be done with the help of del tag. The del tag is used to strike through the text, marking the part as deleted. It has the opening tag and closing tag. Whatever the text you want to strike, that information you need to provide between the open tag and close tag of del. Suppose let's take that I want to strike the 500 and make it as 1000. That 500 you need to provide inside the opening tag and close tag of del, and 1000 you need to provide outside. So 500 will be strike and then 100 will be displayed. So this one we will do practically in HTML. Now let me right click on the text formatting.html. Let me click on open with notepad. Now let me make it full screen and let me zoom out and let me copy this one and paste it. Here I will write hi friends 500 and then 1000 here I will write. In place of biz tag I will use the del open tag and close tag. Now let me save this one, close it, and now let me double click on this one. Now you can see hi friends 500 has been striked, then 1000 has been displayed. So like this you can strike the text in HTML. I hope you have understood how to bold or strong the text, how to italic or emphasize the text, how to highlight the text, how to subscript or superscript the text, how to make the text smaller and larger, and how to strike the text in HTML. If you still have any doubts related to this concept, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will try to clear your doubts as early as possible. Thank you for watching the complete video. Have a nice day.